welcome back to the Cars and Stuff YouTube channel. My name's Mark, and as you'll probably be aware by now, I flip cars as a side hustle. On this occasion, I was approached by a guy who saw I had a 1995 Toyota Celica convertible up for sale, and asked if I consider a straight swap for a 2003 Saab 9.3 ARC 2-litre turbo petrol with just 53,000 miles on the clock. Now, just as a disclaimer, I did do this deal now quite a while back, but I completely forgot to post the video footage. I initially bought the Celica for £1,000, but with a train ticket to Birmingham, a taxi fare, fuel, MOT, paint, service bits, service labour, a tyre repair, and the eBay listing, I spent a total of £1,320 on the Celica. It also had a split in the window, in the rear window, which was kind of attached to the roof. I couldn't find a local specialist to fix it, so I just taped it up and advertised it as it was. I had loads of interest once I advertised it, both on eBay and on Facebook, but no real or genuine inquiries until I received a swap offer for this 2003 Saab. If it wasn't for the mileage, I probably wouldn't be interested. The guy actually asked if he can come and look at it, so instead of me making the 70-mile journey, he come all the way to me. Once he arrived, I can tell the Saab was really well looked after, as it was in really good condition. We greeted each other, had a good chat about the car history, and looked around each other's cars just to make sure they were as described, and then we both went out for a spin in each other's cars just to make sure we were happy with them. I mean, to be fair, I knew the Celica drove spot on, so I know there wasn't going to be issues there. It was a cracking car. Really wish I could have kept it or sold it on for a higher kind of profit margin, but I just didn't get any interest. And thankfully, the Saab drove like new, really. You can tell it was really looked after. So after another chinwag, we decided to go ahead with the deal. Simple, straightforward swap. I valued the Saab just over £2,000. So really, the cars owed me £1,300 or so. Once the deal was done, I gave it a quick wash, took some pictures, added some fuel and posted it on eBay, with my total cost for the Saab now coming to £1,379. Within a few days, and after tons of interest, I soon had viewings lined up. An ex-army chap contacted me as he needed a reliable car for work. We arranged a time to view the Saab, and after a quick test drive, he knew it was a car for him. I had it advertised at £2,000 on the nose, and that's exactly what he paid for it. The kind of customer I like. This given me a total profit of £621. Not a bad margin for a £2,000 car. So let's go through the figures and see how much was earned on an hourly rate basis. So I spent a 3-hour round trip collecting the Celica, an hour to wash it, an hour taking pictures, an hour waiting around for the MOT, and an hour getting a tyre repair and advertising it. In addition, I spent an hour washing the Saab and half an hour advertising it, totaling 8.5 hours. So 8.5 hours divided by £621 is £73 per hour, so not too shabby at all. This video just highlights what you can do if you can't actually sell the car in your normal kind of fashion. So yeah, if you do have a swap deal with someone, obviously make sure the car's all good, take it for a spin, go through the history, and yeah, you can make, quite a bit of money from this, really. I've actually got a few more videos from cars that I've sold in the past coming up soon. It just takes me time posting and editing the videos, especially as I work it around my full-time job. However, I am trying to post a new video at least once every 2 weeks, just to give you guys some new rubbish content to watch. Well, that's it for this video. Final pictures of both the Celica and the Saab to follow. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more dodgy deals, and please feel free to leave any comments on what you'd like to see different in future videos. See you soon.